up? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm very excited to share with you guys what all I got for my new session. So without wasting much time, let's begin. So the first things I got were these pens. These are Hauser Germany EXO pens. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. I got it in two colors, which is the basic blue and black, and I got it in bulk, like 10 each, because I have a lot of maths to do and like answer writing in science as well as English and a lot of other subjects. I used to use these pens during my boards a lot, like these were my go-to pens. I even gave my boards exam with these pens, so I just love them. I love these. They were both of 100 rupees each because I bought 10, so if we do the maths, one is of 10 rupees. The next thing I got was this basic neon yellow highlighter. I think this is a must for every student. If a student to highlight what all important things you find in your respective subjects. And apart from these, I also have these pastel highlighters, like 4 shades of them. It's not exactly new. I bought them during my boards time, like in February, but I want to use them this year. So I thought to show this to you guys as well. The next thing I got was this cute eraser of Apsara. I got it for 7 rupees. There was no specific reason to get it. It caught my eye and it was really cute, so I thought of getting it. Moving forward, I got this planner. It's written "Never Stop Dreaming" at the cover page, and it's black and white checkered with some golden work. I bought this as a planner. I have to write my daily routines, what all homeworks I got, what all I have to study that particular day, or even scripting and writing my journals, and it's just beautiful. I got this for 200 rupees. The next thing I got was this Classmate Pulse notebook. This is a 6 subject notebook. It's divided into 6 parts, and I bought it in mind to have every particular part as a particular subject in my class as a class rough copy, so that whatever I'm being taught in the class in that particular subject, I can write it down and it's easy for me to find it. And I got this for rupees 145, which was quite reasonable. Next thing I have is the one I'm most excited to show you guys. It's the pastel color paper flags I got from Amazon. It's not exactly paper flag, these are sticky notes, and it was just the cutest thing I found on Amazon and I got it. Apart from using it in my course books, I also read a lot of other books in which I can use these as. The next thing I got was this memo block. I got it from Crossword and it was of MRP. It's not written here, I'm sorry. But these are 250 sheets in 1, 2, 3, 4 in 5 different colors. And anything neon or colorful or like even pastel, it catches my eye, and I'm a big fan of stationery items, and the same thing happened with this. The next thing I got were these spiral notebooks. These are I bought it in a bulk. I'm just showing you guys 3. But there are like 12 of this. There were 12 of this. The other 9 are kept somewhere. And I got this for my uncountable maths. I'm gonna solve this year, and all the answer writing and practices and all. I'll use these pens to finish those copies. The next thing I got were again a lot of neon colored notes. Like I got this orange one, this yellow one, and I also have like a couple of different colors from the starting. These are not new. I love to collect like post-its and notepads, and as I mentioned, anything neon, pastel, anything of stationery, I'll see it and I'll fall in love with it, and then I'm going. So I just love stationery items. You can conclude from this whole video that I'm in love with stationery, anything neon, anything pastel. I'm repeating myself for the third time. I love them. The last thing I got, which was not stationery, was a tiffin bottle. Tiffin bottle? Tiffin box. The last thing I got, which was not a stationery, is this tiffin box. For my lunch, tasty. It's just basic, and I bought a new tiffin box because the last one I had been using it for 3 years approximately. After COVID, I bought one, and then I used it for 3 years, and then I thought why not just buy one now, because it was not in its best condition. So the last thing I got, which is also not a stationery, is this handy sanitizer of Lifebuoy. Of Lifebuoy. It was of 25 rupees and it's a must buy. Much needed. You're going to school. Carry a hand sanitizer with you. So guys, that is it for the video. That's all I got, and make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next. Ta-da!